Hello, my name is Raidu Jagat. Now I discuss a question from time, speed and distance related to previous year questions of CAT exam. Just 1 second. Mr. X decides to travel from Delhi to Gurgaon at a uniform speed and decides to reach Gurgaon after T hours, capital T hours. After 30 kilometers, there is some engine malfunction and the speed of the car becomes 4 by 5, 4/5 of the original speed. That means speed decreased from 5 parts to 4 parts. Next, so he travels the rest of the distance at a constant speed of 4 by 5th of the original speed and reaches Gurgaon 45 minutes late. So delayed time is 45 minutes because of that malfunction of car. Had the same thing happened after he traveled 48 kilometers, he would have reached only 36 minutes late. What is the distance between Delhi and Gurgaon? Okay, hereby I try to solve the question by using ratio method. Right. This is Delhi. This is Gurgaon. Okay. Here, at the very beginning, car travels with full speed schedule, actual speed, and after traveling 30 kilometers from the initial point Delhi, it got an engine problem. This is 30 kilometers point. Speed up to 30 kilometers point is speed up to 30 kilometers point is 5 parts. Assume because of that engine fault, speed reduced to 4 parts, 5:4. Time will be changed as 4:5. Initially, I repeat, actual speed is 5 parts. Now its speed is 4 parts from 30 kilometer onwards. Up to 30 kilometer speed of the car will be 5 parts only. But time ratio changes as 4:5. Why? Because we have a formula, distance is equal to speed into time, where speed and time are multiplied. When distance to be covered is constant, speed and time are inversely related. So here speed is 5 parts to 4 parts. Therefore, time will be 4 parts to 5 parts. That means from 30 kilometer point to Gurgaon, if the speed is 5 parts, it will cover in 4 parts of the time. But its speed is reduced to 4 parts. Therefore, time taken will be 5 parts. That should be considered. Now, 30 kilometers to Gurgaon, the distance is fixed. Therefore, this ratio 5:4 and 4:5 are taken. So he travels the rest of the distance and at a constant speed of 4/5 and reaches Gurgaon 45 minutes late. If we observe, time changes from 4 to 5. Actual time should be original time. Actual time from 30 kilometer point to Gurgaon should be 4 parts of the time. But now it is taking 5 parts of the time. So 5 parts minus 4 parts. One part. 5 parts minus 4 parts. One part is equal to 45 minutes late, Gurgaon. It reaches Gurgaon after 45 minutes. So one part is 45 minutes. 5 parts will be 5 into 45, 180 plus 45, 225 minutes will be the delayed time. 45 into 4, 180, 360. 45 into 4, 90, 180. 180 minutes will be the actual time taken by car from 30 kilometer point to Gurgaon. Okay. Now this is important to us. I repeat, one part is equivalent to 45 minutes of time. One part of time is equal to 45 minutes of time. So 5 parts will be 225 minutes. It will take 225 minutes delay time. If it runs with actual speed, exact speed, 5 parts of speed, it will take only 180 minutes. Therefore, 180 minutes will be considered as actual time. Actual time from 30-kilometer point to Gurgaon. So 30-kilometer point you consider as A dash, this Delhi as A and Gurgaon as B. So actual 180 minutes is corresponding to A dash B. Next, if the fault would have occurred after traveling 48 kilometers from Delhi instead of 30 kilometers. So now assume this is 48-kilometer point. This is 48-kilometer point, A double dash. If fault occurs here and up, that means up to 48 kilometers, the car is running with speed, actual speed only. So under that condition, again speed ratio should be considered. From A dash to B, speeds changes like this. Again 5:4. Time will be 4:5. Now, what happened? It reached Gurgaon with a delay of 36 minutes time. So 4 parts to 5 parts. Time ratio is 4 parts and 5 parts. Difference is 1 part. This 1 part is now equivalent to 36 minutes delay. If 1 part is 36 minutes delay, 5 parts will be 180 minutes. And it is not required 180 minutes delay. Actually, it is not required. 4 parts is required. 4 parts is nothing but 4 into 36. 36, 72, 144. So 144 minutes will be the actual time taken. 144 minutes will be the actual time taken to cover distance A dash to B. So 144 is important to us. This is time taken for covering A double dash to B. Now, this distance 30 kilometers minus 48 kilometers, this is 18 kilometers is the distance between first point A dash and second point A double dash. So another thing we can understand between A dash and A double dash in the second case, 18 kilometers is run at rated speed, actual speed only. So actual speed is 18 kilometers, actual time taken. Actually, A dash to B time taken will be A dash to B time taken will be 180 minutes. A double dash to B time taken will be 144 minutes. Difference of these two will be 180 minus 144. 180 minutes minus 144 minutes. It is nothing but 36 minutes. So 36 minutes are taken, time is taken for covering a distance of 18 kilometers at when car runs with actual speed. So 36 minutes is run, 36 minutes is taken to cover a distance of 18 kilometers. So speed will be speed. What is that speed? Actual speed of the car will be 18 kilometer by 36 minutes. 36 minutes. Keep it as it is. Now, what is the distance between Delhi and Gurgaon? So, actual time taken from A dash to B will be 180 minutes. Actual time. So, 180 minutes is corresponding to 18 kilometers is corresponding to 36 minutes. So, which is equal to, which is nothing but speed of the car. This is this A dash to B. Actual speed is 180 kilometers. Sorry, actual time is 180 minutes. When car is running with actual speed 5 parts. So denominator is 180 minutes. Numerator will be 36 raised to 5. 36 into 5, 180. 18 into 5 should be 90. Therefore, this is 9. This should be 90 kilometers. That means the distance from A dash to B is 90 kilometers. So what is the distance from Delhi to Gurgaon? So Delhi to Gurgaon is A dash plus A dash B. A dash B we got 90 kilometers. 90 kilometers, but fault occurred at a distance of 30 kilometers from Delhi at earlier. Therefore, this distance, this A to A dash is 30 kilometers. So 30 plus 90 is equal to 120 kilometers is the actual distance between Delhi to Gurgaon. I hope this cleared your answer doubt. Thank you. If you like this video, please like it and share it. Thank you.